everybody, it is Erin Reed Makes, and I am here to show you my brand new studio. This is my new crafting desk. I've had the storage behind me, but I have revamped it. Plus, I have a ton of storage underneath. I went from my room looking like this to this. All right, let's go through the journey. All right, so first we've got to clear the room, clean it, move the desk, and then we'll be able to put in the new ones. But we're going to speed all this up, so get ready for some fast, fun room cleaning happening. So here it is, my final workspace. So this is my studio. This is the desk where I sit at and do all of my editing and everything. And so I've got lots of storage kind of up in this space. But this is the brand new piece. So this is the new desk. I've got the new lights. I've even got a monitor on my desk so I can see when I do live streaming. I've got another storage piece off to the side here. You can see my lights are over here. And then we're getting into my big wall unit. Now the wall unit is not new. This has been here for a while, but I did revamp what was in these cubbies right here. I moved a lot of these red bins, which I did have, to lower because the red behind me when I was filming just didn't look quite right. So this is the new desk. As you can see, it's a standing desk. We put together a whole bunch of different units. So as you can tell, there's a ton of drawers in here. I mean, just look at them all. Lots of fun drawers. I've got drawers for cables. I've got drawers for like upcoming projects. I've got all my supplies. These are 3 separate IKEA units right here. And then there is another unit right here to give me the 2 long drawers, which also gives me a nice long base. Then we put a piece of plywood on top and then we laminated it. We elevated the whole thing up a little bit higher, so that way I would have kind of a kickstand so I could get a little closer to the space. This is my space. I can see my screens, I see my lights. My other camera usually is right there in front of me. I also have a top mounting camera right there, as you can see. So I've got lots of kind of like space to work on things. And then a huge platform. As you can tell, this is a mat that is 36 by 24, and my space that I'm working in is so much bigger. I absolutely love it. All right, so here's some little clips about how we actually put together this desk.
So my daughter really got into helping with it. She was getting all the IKEA pieces, putting all the bundles together, hammering in the parts, adding in all of the screws. She kind of fumbled around, but she did every single drawer and really did a great job. So this is the bottom piece, and the bottom piece is basically a section that we wanted to add felt to so that we would slide easily on the floor. It wouldn't scratch my floor. So I just cut up some felt pieces, added with glue, and this is that extra riser at the bottom of the desk that really helps lift everything up. So I have kind of what's called a kickstand, and there you can see the finished drawers all underneath.
So here is the top part of my desk is a piece of plywood, and we've added in the adhesive over on this side. So spray on adhesive all the way through here. So here's the top edge that I've started spraying, but we ran out of adhesive, so we went to the store to go get more, and we'll be finishing spraying and then laying it on top. So thank you so much for joining me and getting a little behind the scenes of what my revamped studio looks like and how easy it is to build your own desk. I do have the amazing ability of having my husband who loves to do woodworking, and this was his grand scheme idea and putting it all together. I just helped along with my daughter. She kind of put a lot of stuff together too, especially these IKEA drawers. She had a blast. All links for the supplies I used of where I've got the items at Home Depot and at IKEA are down in the information section. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. watching all my lumps and bumps in the way. It's life. I wasn't gonna get all fancy while I clean the floor. And I will see you guys again later. Bye, everybody.